In this video, I'll show you exactly how to schedule a message in this code. We're gonna use this message scheduler app. So first, navigate to the server name and click on it and select this app directory and type schedule in the search box and then select this message scheduler and then click on add app and select the server and click the authorize. And once you install this message scheduler onto your server, just go back to the server and create a channel you want to send a message to. This time I'm going to use this schedule tool channel. And once you installed message scheduler, make sure to give it the permission. So just click on this gear icon and select this permission and click on this plus button and select message scheduler and add the message scheduler to the role. So this case I've already set it app like this. Select all the green ticks and give it all the permission of this channel. If you don't want other members to create message, make sure to disable all the permission for everyone. As this is a demonstration video, I don't do everything here, but make sure to save changes once you complete it. And go back to the channel. And then let's take a look at how it looks, the message scheduler. And see, you just type the slash and new message, but make sure set the time zone before you send the message. Simply type slash and time zone. And then click on location. And whatever location you're living in. So in this case, I live in Vancouver, so I confirm the time zone for now. Then once you set your time zone, next type / and new message. And select the distribution channel. This time I'm going to use this schedule tool. And then content, which means message. So this time, welcome. So this is the message I'm going to send. And then click on the send time. So just keep in mind, the format is the start with the date first, like this, month, date, and time. So you have to make sure. Today it's May 5th. So if I want to send a message today, just type like this, 5/5, and then hit space. Next, I type in the time and then hit enter and make sure to click on confirm. Yeah, it's done. So once the time comes, the message you schedule will be sent automatically. Let's check it out. And if you want to check all the scheduled message, you just type in this the slash and rest message, so you can check all the messages you are going to schedule. Yeah, here we go. The welcome message appears on this channel. There you have it. Thank you for watching.